Hello, welcome to LabAroma. I'm Colleen, the founder of LabAroma and our chief aromatherapist. At LabAroma, we make beautiful essential oil recipes that you can make in your home very easily with a few essential oils that will help support your health, wellness and your mood. And today we're going to work on a diffuser blend for anxiety. If you love these aromatherapy recipes and you like LabAroma, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below so that you never miss a video again. And there's lots of videos coming all the time. So, back to anxiety. We all have experienced anxiety at some point in our lives. Some of us live with it. Some of us get it because of different scenarios or situations. Regardless of why anxiety comes into our life, aromatherapy is a beautiful way to help deal with anxiety and support us during times of anxiety. And this blend is one I've used for a long time. I call it Alleviating Anxiety. Okay, so there's 4 essential oils. We're going to use Patchouli, Ylang Ylang, Clary Sag and Geranium. So really common essential oils you can find anywhere. And I'm only going to use 6 drops today in my diffuser. Now, diffusers are a really interesting way to work with essential oils and aromatherapy. You can use your old school style diffusers, really beautiful, the clay diffusers that you put the candle in the bottom. They're beautiful and they just need a few drops of essential oil in water. You light the candle and you get this beautiful aromatic aroma and the therapeutic benefits of the essential oils. An electrical diffuser will do the same, only it's electrical. I tend to use electrical diffusers a lot more now, simply because I can manage them better and they're pretty. They never used to be, now they are. So this is my main one. It's quite large because I'll use it in my kitchen, which is a large room, but I have smaller ones that I will use in smaller rooms like my bedroom. And I will show you one of those in a different video so you can scroll down and catch other videos with other diffusers. But for this one, I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? You literally take the lid off the diffuser, top it up with water. There'll always be a maximum line that will tell you when to pour to. And you just use distilled water, okay? Now, the 4 essential oils I'm going to use today, I'm going to add them directly into my distiller, okay? My diffuser, sorry. So I'm going to use 2 drops of geranium. Geranium essential oil is a floral essential oil. It's wonderful for hormonal issues, but it's also got that really sweet floral aroma that just feels fresh and supportive. I particularly like using it when the anxiety, it can be hormonal related, whether that's the menopause or PMT or just our mood. Then I really like our female essential oils for anxiety, okay? Clary Sag is the same. So I'm going to use 2 drops of Clary Sag. Again, another beautiful female focused essential oil, also distilled from the Clary Sag flower, which is beautiful. So 2 drops of both of those. Then I'm going to stick with my florals and I'm going to use Ylang Ylang. So Ylang Ylang is the most beautiful plant. It smells divine. If you've never used Ylang Ylang or smelled it, I highly recommend you go and get this one. If you buy one new essential oil this week, make it Ylang Ylang. And it's very versatile. I use it in so many different scenarios, but I definitely use it a lot for anxiety. So I'm just going to use 1 drop of Ylang Ylang. It's aromatically beautiful. So nice, so nice. And then patchouli. So the reason I'm using patchouli in this blend is because patchouli is a resinous essential oil, which means it's quite thick. You'll see when I go to pour a drop now, it is quite a thick essential oil. And that's because it comes from the tree itself. It's nearly like an amber colour, whereas the rest of these essential oils have been quite light. This one's quite dark. Patchouli is beautiful, and what it does as an essential oil is it helps ground us. So when our anxiety is making us feel overwhelmed and taut and really stressed, it helps to bring us back down and grounds us and makes us feel a little more in control. So I always like to have a nice strong resinous oil when I'm dealing with anxiety, and patchouli is a perfect example. That's it, my essential oils and my water. I put my diffuser lid back on. I can turn this on, I can add colours to it, I can do lots of different things. Electrical diffusers have got very fancy, so you can do lots of interesting things with them. This is so simple. You burn this, turn it on, burn it for 20 minutes in the room you're in, whether that be your office or your bedroom or your kitchen or living room, and just take some deep breaths and help yourself to unwind and help to alleviate the anxiety you're feeling. I hope you found that super useful. If you don't have any of these essential oils, but you have different essential oils and you want some substitution suggestions, leave me a note in the comments below and I will happily offer some suggestions. There's loads of essential oils that help with anxiety, so we're not going to be limited. No matter what oils you have, we'll find something for you. If you also want some tips on diffusers or where to get them, leave me a comment below and I will certainly help you. And don't forget to subscribe in the link below and never miss a YouTube video from me again.